This one is pretty crazy. Upload phone image to Copilot and then text from picture. In the past, you've heard me just whine about how data from picture is just a horrible, horrible experience. Have a better way to get text into Excel from somewhere. Okay, so we're going to start here. Autosave is on. Home, Copilot. And check this out. I want to add an image. From my phone. Okay, so we get a QR code there. Take my QR scanner here. There we are, it sees it. And then we have take a photo or select an image from your phone to send to Copilot. I'm going to choose select an image. And then from my photo library, find the one that I want to get into Excel and choose done. Image sent. It may take a few seconds. You may now close this page. Okay, so the image shows up as a little thumbnail there. Click on Message Copilot and type something like extract data from this image. There should be 3 columns of data. Click Send. It says it's analyzing the image. All right, and here is the extracted data from the image in 3 columns. It even tells me that I got a free Hallmark card thanks to a promotion. And then right here, insert to new sheet. How cool is that? Let's try this. This is pretty good. I've tried this a few times, and sometimes I get all of the data. For example, yesterday, when the video recorder was off, it inserted all of the information from the receipt, including the grand total. Had one problem here where it didn't make that numeric, and that cell is the cell that just caused it to stop here today. Right? So brand new feature. Your mileage may vary. Today, it definitely cut off the bottom part of the image. Well, hey, it seems like it's a really cool feature. Once they get this squared away, it'll be a great way to get text from an image with little hassle. I want to thank you for stopping by. We'll see you next time for another netcast from Mr. Excel.